back, everybody. I like a classic brunch dish on my brunch table, and nothing to me is more classic than a casserole dish. I know, I sound like an old lady, but what can I say? I love it. And this one is tried and true. It is a hash brown casserole, super easy. Everywhere you take it, anytime you serve it, it will be a hit, I promise. We start with 2 pounds of frozen hash browns, super easy. And then we've got some sour cream that we add in here. I didn't say it was low calorie, but I did say it was delicious. We've got sharp cheddar cheese that goes in. This is diced onion. I did it while you guys weren't watching. Last but not least, a can of cream of chicken soup. I know some of you are like, what? Just, you know, sometimes you gotta keep it classic. If it ain't broke, why fix it? This is cream of chicken, but you could also use cream of mushroom if you like mushrooms. A little pinch of salt. It's a lot of hash browns in there. And a little pinch of pepper. And now we just want to fold all of this together, mix it, and I've got a baking dish up here that I've sprayed with a little bit of cooking spray. Make sure that you combine everything well. Some of this sour cream and some of this cream of chicken soup wants to kind of stay clumped together. Make sure every bit of hash brown, every single one of these little tiny potatoes gets a little bit of those two things. Okay. Everything's mixed. And now I'm just gonna add it to my casserole dish. So this one bakes also at 350. That's the best thing about our brunch dishes today. They all baked at 350. So you've got one oven temp. But this one takes the longest. So what I would do is spread this around. Start this one first. Let it bake, because this one takes about 45 minutes. And when it's ready and is golden brown and delicious, you could just take it out and cover it with some foil and keep it nice and warm till your other dishes are ready. So that's it. This, by the way, is what they call a copycat recipe. This is a hash brown dish that they serve at a restaurant that's quite popular for breakfast. It shall remain nameless, but perhaps as you're watching, you're thinking, oh, I know where I've eaten that. So this is like a copycat recipe, and people like to call it that. So try it yourself at home and see what you think. 350 in the oven, 45 minutes till everything melts, everything's bubbly, everything's crispy, everything's delicious. It has been 45 minutos. And look at that. Crispy on top, melted through, cheesy goodness. A classic casserole dish. I am just gonna serve it on my brunch table just as it is in the casserole dish, because like I said before, if it ain't broke, why fix it? But in the meantime, I gotta taste a little piece. So let me just scoop out a little corner. Look at that. Would you look at that? And give it a taste. Mmm. Guys, it's a classic for a reason, because it's good. You're gonna love this one.